today's job, we're going to show you around the Tesla Powerwall 3. The customer's had 18 panels, all on the rear of the property. He's had a backup gateway as well in the garage. I'm just going to sort of show you around, have a bit of a walk round. So follow me. So the customer's had 18 panels in total. He's split in half, so you got one string of 9, the other string of 9. Customer's also had pigeon proofing, if you can zoom in on there, all the way around the array to stop pigeons getting under there or any sort of pest getting in there. The DC cable runs come down the side of the gable end in conduit, and then once it gets to the bottom of the conduit, it goes into the side of the power wall. Young Harrison's done this run, it looks pretty neat, so have a quick look straight up there. We've used E-line clips, all fire rated, and then go straight into the power wall. Also upstairs in the loft space we put a DC isolation switch up there as well. Even though this system has an inbuilt DC isolation on the right hand side, if you come and have a quick look around the side. You have a DC isolation switch on this side, and you've also got an AC isolation switch on the left hand side. So it looks pretty neat, nice and compact. And then the AC run back to the gateway, we've used EV Ultra 10mm plus data, and then that's run again in D-line clips straight into the back of the gateway, which is in the garage. Earth rod for the backup, which is just down there, good signal just there. We'll show you where the gateway is. This is where we put the gateway, just to hide all the cables, so we drill straight into the back of the gateway itself, and so you don't see no cables, and it looks pretty neat there. A little latch on the right hand side to open it up, and inside there you've got your main 100 amp main fuse, which protects the full property. It prevents the main fuse going if anything was to happen. You've also got an RCD there, which is protecting the circuit for the power wall. You've got a B63 there, and you've also got your generation, bi-directional generation meter there, so it can monitor both going one way and another. And then just to push it back into place, and you can hear it latching. So that's the full system.